CoinStats app tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use CoinStats to track your crypto portfolio in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Install the CoinStats app from the App Store or Play Store, and then sign in with your Google, Apple, or email. Step 2. Tap the portfolio and then select Add Account. Choose from hundreds of supported exchanges or wallets and connect via API or your wallet address. Step 3. Your portfolio will now update in real time. You can view total balance, gain or loss stats, and your asset breakdown. Step 4. Tap on any coin and then hit the bell icon and set an alert for a specific price so you never miss a move. Step 5. CoinStats also offers swap features, DEFI tracking, and event staking options within the app. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.